guys, welcome back. Now time for working with clipping mask, the most important part in masking Photoshop. So let's open an image, and now I need to add this image directly in one click into different shape styles. So how to do this? First, go to shapes, select a sample different shape style like a polygon, and take a look. You must select the shape from the options, and now let's see. First, create your shape and put the shape down of the layer because you need to add image into this shape. It means unlock image, move the shape down there and select image. Go back to layer, and there you have the shortcut key. Hold Alt Control plus G. Select, and now you can see image into this polygon shape, and there is the layer combination. So let's Ctrl Z, hold Ctrl plus Alt plus G. Mean you can add directly image into the shape. It's not important which type of shape you need to add image in that shape. It means you can add another different stroke style too for your shape in different size. Change the size of the stroke a little bit bigger, and now put here, select the image, go back to layer and select create clipping mask, and now you can see the stroke of the shape, and now in the image into this shape. Perfect guys. Another part is mask all object. Let's close and let's see. There we have two important parts. The first one is sky and landscape, and the next one is the characters. So I need to make mask automatically by Photoshop to create from this image. We'll go to layer, select mask all object, and wait for the result. So, and now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 different layer masks. It means if you need to use the characters selection, hold Control just in one click, you can select the characters. You can make copy, you can cut, and hold Control if you need to select the sky. Click on the sky mask. In one click, you can select sky. So if you need to select the landscape, hold Control in one click, select the landscape, like this. If you need to select just the character, this little boy, hold Control in one click, you can select this one. If you need to select the back, hold Control. There you can select just the back. And this was about create clipping mask and mask all object. Thanks for watching. Good time, good luck.